Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM can help you create videos by turning research materials, documents, articles, notes and source files into organized scripts, summarize talking points and audio content that can be transformed into a finished video. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to create a video with NotebookLM in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, choose your video topic, like decide what your video will cover. So examples: history, technology, finance, science, education, tutorials, product reviews. A focused topic makes research much easier, so you have to specify. So clear topics lead to stronger videos. You can also create a new notebook, like open NotebookLM and create a dedicated notebook. Okay, for example, YouTube video research, AI tutorial project, history documentary. Keep each project separate from better organization. Okay, organized projects are easier to manage. So upload your sources, like add materials related to your topic, for example PDFs, articles, research papers, notes, website links, reposts. Okay, reports I mean. So notebooks or NotebookLM will analyze everything you upload. Okay, your sources become the foundation of the video. You can also generate a video outline, like ask NotebookLM create a video outline, organize this topic into sections. What should I cover first? Build the logical structure. A typical outline might include introduction, main points, examples, conclusion. Okay, so strong structure improves viewer retention. Okay, you can also create the script, like ask NotebookLM write a video script, create an introduction, explain the topic step by step, generate a conclusion, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.